Hi, welcome. Here's your Saxon lesson for today. We are on Saxon 107. You will need your Saxon 107 spelling and high frequency word practice paper. All right. We are going to start off by practicing our affix cards and our sight word cards. Affix cards are the suffix cards. Suffixes are words that come at the end of a root word that sometimes change the meaning. So let's go over our affix cards.
Suffix S, suffix less, suffix and, suffix a, suffix y, suffix suffix s, suffix less, suffix we, suffix is, suffix itch, suffix ed, suffix full, suffix next.
Good job. You guys are good at that. All right, let's do our sight word cards. Go.
Animal, friend, can, country, danger, island, listen, want, trade, stranger, food, pot, rock, water, pot, laugh, mountain, top, pot, walk, become, vote, busy, measure,
Through. Good. Okay, let's go ahead and practice some spelling sound review. Next to number 1, I want you to write down That's combination ER. Excellent. Number 2, What is that? WH. Number 3, combination OR. Number 4, That's D, final D, comma, ED. D, final D, comma, ED. Comma, ED. Number 5, O consonant E, comma, O final OW. O consonant E, comma, O final OW. Number 6, Qua. That's what? QU. Number 7, combination R. Combination AR. Number 6, V, final VE. V, final VE. Number 9, full. FLE. FLE. All right, let's practice some review words. Next to number 10, excuse me, next to number 10, write down the word matchless. 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 Let's see. Amaria, how do you spell matchless? Excellent. MATCHLESS. 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 Number 11, pumpkin. 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 Amariah, pumpkin. Destin, pumpkin. 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 Okay, number 12, carnation. 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 Jasmine, carnation. What makes shun? You were right until you got to shun. Final syllable shun is what? Tion. Yes. So carnation, try that again. T-O. Good job. Carnation. C-A-R-N-A-T-I-O-N. Carnation. Very good. Sight words. 13. Woman. 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 Let's see. Woman. Michael. W-O-M-A-N. Excellent. W-O-M-A-N. Woman. 14. Woman. Woman. Brenaya. Woman. Good job. W-O-M-E-N. Woman. Number 15. Both. Both. Both my dog and my cat are fuzzy or furry. Both. All right, both. Dominic. B-O-T-H. Excellent. Next to number 16, where it says sentence, let's practice writing down this sentence. Watch me first, and then you can write it. How much time do you spend cleaning your room each week? What is this called? Question mark. It's a question mark. Okay, let's try it again. How much time do you spend cleaning your room each week? Okay, pause the video now and write that sentence down. All right, so this is how your paper should look. If you need some time copying any of this down, you can pause the video now. All right, let's read these words together. Dishes, watches, glasses, taxes, buzzes. Very good. What do all of these words have in common? The letters E-S. Does anyone know what the letter E-S could be called?
Suffix.
Suffix. That's correct. E-S is a suffix. What do you think suffix E-S means in this word? Dishes. That means what? More than one dish. Watches. Okay. Glasses. More than one glass. Buzzes. One bee buzzes, 7 bees buzz. Okay. So is means more than one. Does anyone know why the word buzz has suffix es added to it? Let's talk about the word buzzes. Let's look at these sentences. It says one bee buzzes, 7 bees buzz. Every complete sentence must contain at least 2 parts, a noun and a verb. A noun is the name of a, what's a noun? Person, place, or thing, while a verb tells the action that the person, place, or thing is making, or what condition that person, place, or thing is in. Nouns are also referred to as subjects. In this first sentence, the subject is the word bee, right? We're talking about bees. And the verb is buzzes. The bee buzzes. In the second sentence, the subject in the word is bees. Look at the subject. This is bee. This is bees. And the verb is the word buzz. Did you notice that the subject is plural in the second sentence? Look at the subject. See, it's plural. That means it has an S. It's more than one. In the first sentence, it's singular. It does not have an S. It's just one. We know that a plural means there is more than one. To make most subjects plural, we add the suffix S, like in bees. In the English language, the rules that describe how words are put together in sentences to give meaning are called grammar. One rule of English grammar is that within a sentence, the subject form must match the verb form. This is called subject-verb agreement. For example, in the second sentence, we are talking about a plural subject, so the verb form we use must also be plural. The plural form of the verb buzz is the word buzz. In the first sentence, we are talking about a singular subject, which means one subject, so our verb form must also be singular. The singular form of the verb buzz is the word buzzes. We know this because suffix es on a verb usually tells us that the verb is singular. So when we add suffix es to a noun or subject, we usually mean there is more than one. When we add suffix es to a verb, we usually mean that the verb is singular. Suffix es is really another form of suffix s. We've actually been coding and reading the verb form for suffix s for many lessons. Now you'll know the verb form for both suffix s and suffix es. Let's talk about something else unusual about suffix es. When you have a root word that ends in a sound like s, it is impossible to add another s sound. Let's try to do this so you can see what I mean. Try to add s to the word miss. So M-I-S-S-S. That doesn't make sense. That's hard to pronounce, isn't it? Misses. Let's try a few more. Try to add s to the following word. Let's see. How about axis? Or crutches? Or physis? Or stitches? It's hard. It is very hard to add s to these words because they already end in hissing sounds, don't they? This hissing sound is called the sibilant sound. The sibilant sounds are s, z, x, sh, sh, j. Whenever a word ends in one of these sounds and you want to add suffix s and suffix es instead, this is because adding a vowel sound between the two hissing sounds make the words easier to say. Let's try those words we pronounced earlier. Repeat after me. Misses, axes, crutches, fizzes, stitches. Now that we've added the extra vowel sound, es, these words are much easier to say instead of just adding the s, right? Just remember that when a word ends in s, you want to add suffix s. You should add suffix es instead because otherwise the word is nearly impossible to pronounce. How do we code suffix es, class? We box them. So let's look at this set of words we just went over. We had the word dishes. Oh, you're right. My bad. All right, thank you. Let's look at these words. So we have dishes. How do we code it? Box it. Watches. Glasses. Taxes. Buzzes. Box it. What should we do after we box? Very good. Make sure that the root word is left. Very good, Amariah. That's correct. We must always make sure a root word is left. Who can tell me what the root word is here? Dish. What's the root word here? Here. Very good. Buzz. Buzz is the root word. All right. Dish. How do I code dish, class?
Underline SH and put a brief on the I.
Very good. Breathe on the I, underline SH. What about the accent?
The accent.
There's always an accent right before the suffix, right? So I can go ahead and add the accent in all of these. Watches. Mariah. What else? No, I didn't say watches. I said watches. Amaria? 2 dots on the A because the A makes the aw sound. Very good. Glasses. Who wants to do that one? Rena? Very good. Breathe on the A. Taxes. JC. A breathe. Good job. A breathe on the A. Buzzes. Haney. A breathe on the U. Very good. Okay, so this is our new affix cards. When we see this card, we're going to say suffix is.
Suffix is.
Very good. We are going to add this to our affix cards. Now we are going to spell some words that include the suffix es. We'll use the practice sheets again. Look at the back of your practice sheet and find number 1. Spell the word. Ooh, I like this word because this was our math word today. Spell the word inches. Inches. Class.
Yes.
How do we spell inches? Excellent. INCHES. Number 2, dishes. I don't like doing the dishes. Dishes. Let's spell it together. DISHES. Very good. Dishes. Number 3, ditches. She ditches her dog when they go on the walk. Ditches. To leave behind. Ditches. All right. How do you spell ditches? DITCHES. So DI, and then you have trigraph TCH, and then ES. Ditches. All right, let's read the words in the high frequency word box together. Far, was, what, both, sure, turn, tough, measure. I need you to write the words one time next to it. And today we're just going to write 3 sentences. We're going to use 1 word in each sentence. So you're using 3 words and you're 1 in each sentence. So you're doing 3 sentences, okay? And then the back, you're going to code and answer, and then the homework, code and answer as well. Before I let you guys go on, let's look at the worksheet side. Let's look at the pictures. The first picture is pictures of crutches. And the second picture is a picture of brushes. If we look at the homework side, the first picture is a funny word. What is that?
Donkey.
Donkey. And what about the second one? Peaches. Peaches. Very good. Okay, before I let you go, we are going to play a game. We're going to play boys against girls. B boys and G girls. Okay, so we are going to work on coding these words, and whoever wins will be the first to line up today. Okay, all right, so you never know. Let's see, we have more. How many girls do we have in here? If you're a girl, raise your hand. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 girls. If you're a boy, raise your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boys. So, since we have less girls, girls can go first. All right, I choose a girl. We are going to start with Rena. Code this word. And guys, listen, you cannot help. If you help, the other team gets a point. Go ahead. Very good. What's the word? What is that? That's a C. Crushes. Very good. Girls just got a point. All right, boys. JC. Monkeys. Girls. Bounce back. And Mariah. Monkeys. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Bounce back. Boys. Let's see. Dominic. No breathe on the O. You guys keep saying that. Bounce back to the girls. Brenaya. No? Would they already, hold on. She said macron on the E. There's already macron on the E. Shh, be quiet. Give her a chance. Be quiet. That's wrong. There's no macron or breathe on the O. Okay, now we bounce back to the boys. Christian. Okay, that's right. There's a V, C, C, V. Okay, keep going, Christian. Accent. What? There is no O-R. That's an N. Monkeys. Something goes on the O. What is it? Shh, be quiet. Okay, I'm going to pass it to a girl now. Amaria. A squad. Good job. All right. Amaria, what's the word? Monkeys. Good job. Oh, man. But Christian did all the hard work. But it still bounced back. It's okay. All right. Now we're going to bounce back to the boys again. Scratch. Haney. Very good. Very good. Okay. What about that T? Okay, very good. What's the word? Scratch. Yes. All right, let's bounce it back to the girls. Girls. Jasmine. Okay. That's it, right? What's the word?
She's missing something.
No, she's not.
That thing.
Themselves. What is she missing, Dominic?
I said that.
Okay, that was shared. Boys and girls shared that. Okay, when. Next one is for when. Boys' turn. Michael, when. I know, you can get closer. Come on all the way up. And go. When. No, not underline. Girl, steal that back. Let's see. Amaria. No one gets that. I had to give it to you.
I know.
When they, Leia, feel. Very good. Boys. Feel. That's feel, not feel. No, that's it. That's all right. Now, boys. Dustin, you get a chance. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. Very good. What's the word? Very good. Fleas. Okay, let's read it together. Monkeys scratch themselves when they feel fleas. Very good. Okay, that's all we're doing today. If you have any questions, let me know, and I will see you later. Bye.